Hello, and a warm welcome back to Africate Work from Home Jobs, where we explore business opportunities, navigate through potential scams, and much more. Today, we're diving into a crucial tool for anyone looking to secure a remote job: mastering the data entry test. Data entry tests are a common hurdle in the hiring process for remote jobs, but fear not. We're here to guide you through strategies, tips, and practices to improve your speed and accuracy, setting you on the path to your dream work from home job. First up, let's understand what these tests are and why they matter. Employers use data entry tests to assess your typing speed, accuracy, and familiarity with relevant software. These can range from basic typing tests to software-specific challenges. Preparation is key. Familiarize yourself with the test format, research the company to understand which skills they value, and ensure your hardware and software setup meets the basic requirements. Welcome to the second part of our guide, where we delve deeper into the world of data entry tests. Data entry tests are designed to evaluate a candidate's ability to input data quickly and accurately. These tests are crucial for employers as they provide a measure of your proficiency in handling data, a skill that's highly valued in the remote work landscape. There are several types of data entry tests. The most common are typing speed tests, where you're evaluated on how many words or characters you can type per minute. Accuracy tests assess how accurately you can input data, ensuring minimal errors. Then there are software-specific tests. These evaluate your ability to use data entry software such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Data entry tests can come in various formats. For instance, you may be given a text to type within a certain time limit, or a spreadsheet to fill with specific data. Some tests might even simulate real-world tasks, like entering customer details into a database or transcribing an audio recording. Understanding these tests and their formats is the first step towards acing them. In the next segment, we'll share some strategies for mastering these tests, so stick around. In this segment, we'll talk about how to prepare effectively for a data entry test. The first step is knowing the format of the test. If you can get this information beforehand, it will help you tailor your practice sessions and study routine more effectively. Next, research the company and the specific skills they value. If the job description emphasizes accuracy over speed, for instance, then you know where to focus your energy during preparation. Finally, ensure you have the proper hardware and software setup. A comfortable keyboard and a reliable computer are essential. If possible, familiarize yourself with the specific software the company uses for data entry. This could be Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or a bespoke software. Now that you're prepared, let's delve into some strategies to help you master these tests in our next segment. Stay tuned. In this segment, we're going to focus on techniques for improving your typing speed, a crucial factor in acing your data entry test. A key strategy to increase your speed is regular practice, using typing software. There are a number of free and paid software options available on the internet, designed to help you improve your speed over time. Another effective method is engaging with online resources and games that are specifically designed to boost your typing speed. These games often make the learning process more enjoyable, allowing you to practice without feeling the strain of studying. It's also important to familiarize yourself with the keyboard layout. Knowing the exact location of each key allows your fingers to move quickly and accurately, reducing the amount of time you spend searching for specific keys. Finally, it's vital to set realistic speed improvement goals. Don't expect to double your speed overnight. Instead, aim for a gradual increase. Remember, consistency is key. Your typing speed will naturally increase with regular practice. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we delve into strategies for mastering data entry tests. In this section, we're going to concentrate on strategies that will help you minimize errors, a vital aspect of data entry tests. Just as speed is crucial, so is accuracy. It's not enough to type fast if you're making frequent mistakes. You need to develop your proofreading skills. This can be achieved by taking the time to review your work, ensuring that you've accurately captured all the required data. This might slow you down initially, but with practice, you'll become faster and more accurate. Training yourself to type correctly the first time is another effective strategy. This means focusing on precision rather than speed. As you become more proficient, your speed will naturally increase. There are several exercises available online that can help you enhance your accuracy. These exercises often involve typing out paragraphs and sentences, allowing you to practice accuracy in a real-world context. Lastly, remember that balance is key. While improving your speed, you must not lose sight of the importance of accuracy. Strive to strike a balance between the two. In our next segment, we'll look at comprehensive strategies for mastering data entry tests. Stay tuned. In this segment, we're going to focus on the age-old adage, practice makes perfect. This idea is especially true in the context of data entry tests. To really improve your typing speed and accuracy, it's essential to set up a routine of daily typing exercises. This doesn't have to be time-consuming. Just 15 to 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. You can use online resources, typing software, or even simple text documents for these exercises. The key is to be consistent. Next, consider simulating the conditions of the test. This means setting a timer, finding a quiet place, and trying to replicate the pressure you might feel during the actual test. This will not only help you get used to the conditions, but also help you gauge your progress. Remember, improvement won't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that happens over time. But rest assured, with consistent practice, your speed and accuracy will increase. You'll start seeing fewer errors, and you'll be able to type more words per minute. In the next segment, we'll cover some comprehensive strategies to help you master data entry tests. Stay tuned. To boost your typing speed, practice is essential. Utilize typing software, engage with online resources, and games designed to increase speed. Remember, knowing your keyboard layout and setting realistic goals are crucial steps. Accuracy is just as important as speed. Develop your proofreading skills, train yourself to type correctly the first time, and engage in exercises that enhance accuracy. It's all about finding the right balance. Consistent practice leads to improvement over time. Set up a daily routine of typing exercises, simulate test conditions, and remember, practice makes perfect. Embarking on this journey requires persistence and consistent practice, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Don't forget, we'll be sharing our in-house current job openings at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on securing your ideal work-from-home job. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates. Share your experiences or additional advice in the comments below.
So you're still here. Now let's introduce you to another one of our current in-house work from home jobs. This position is a work-from-home voiceover artist.
In the realm of our digital age, finding the right work-from-home job has become more than just a convenience. It's a necessity. The ability to work from the comfort of your own space, on your own time, and in your own way has revolutionized the employment landscape. One of the most exciting and creative of these positions is that of a voiceover artist. Imagine this: a work-from-home voiceover associate, a contract worker lending their voice to breathe life into scripts and texts. We are in the market for 4 such talented individuals each month, each bringing their own unique vocal flair to our projects. The role is as thrilling as it is rewarding. You'll be the voice behind our work-at-home job descriptions, data share associates reports, and even the occasional instructional booklet. And for this, we offer a generous pay of $30 per hour. What exactly does this role entail? As a voiceover artist, your voice is your instrument. You'll need to possess excellent vocal technique. This includes proper breathing, articulate speech, control of pitch, tone, and volume. Your voice should be a chameleon, able to adapt to different emotions, characters, and styles. Your diction and pronunciation should be impeccable, and your command of the language unparalleled. But that's not all. An important part of the job is the ability to analyze text, to identify key elements, and to convey the desired tone or mood effectively. And the best part? No resume required. To give you a taste of what the job entails, here's a sample script. Hi, today I will be reporting on Afrikiti work from home jobs, business opportunities, affiliate programs, and more. Remember, Afrikiti is pronounced Afrikit. Submit your voice sample for approval at afrikita333@gmail.com. Stay tuned, for we will be sharing more current work from home jobs in this video. And don't forget, the link to the free ebook of all current work from home jobs will be in the description. The world of voiceover work is vast and varied, and it could be just the work from home opportunity you've been waiting for.